SUVs are taking over the automotive market, but trucks are surviving thanks to their working capacity. The Ford F-150 stands out from the crowd by incorporating cutting-edge technology, supreme performance, and innovative features. These are just a few of the 14 reasons why you should delay purchasing a truck and wait for the 2025 Ford F-150. Number 14. Acclaimed reputation. When you're unsure about something, just check reviews and feedback online. Nowadays, this information is widely available and can be extremely useful, whether it comes from experts or owners. But when it comes to buying the Ford F-150, it seems chances to make a mistake are very slim. Maybe it is the age of SUVs and crossovers, but the best-selling vehicle in the US is the half-ton truck. There's no doubt that the 2025 Ford F-150 will uphold its reputation and continue the legacy. Number 13. Ford build quality. When buying a truck, durability is one of the crucial things. Ford is well known for its long-lasting pickups, not only the F-150, and it's not uncommon to see their vehicles running strong with over 200,000 miles on the odometer. In this case, the slogan, "Built Ford Tough," rings true. The truck maker also uses the toughest materials, steel and aluminum, which is also in use for military vehicles. Not only does the company focus on durability, but the 2025 Ford F-150 is built to last even if you plan to test it off the road and load it with heavy cargo. You can view this purchase as an investment. Plus, Ford has one of the best networks of dealerships and service centers, so even if anything goes wrong, it can be resolved with ease. Number 12. Performance. Of course, nothing sells trucks better than their specs. The 2025 Ford F-150 is going to offer 6 different engine configurations, each known for reliability and excellent performance. The lineup starts with a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 unit that produces 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. The maximum towing capacity is limited to 8,400 pounds, which is not bad for an entry-level model, but it won't meet requirements of most truckers. Next is the 3.5-liter V6, which upgrades power outputs to 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet, and with it comes a higher hauling potential. This configuration is actually the best in the entire lineup, with a max towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. You can also get 400 horsepower from a 5-liter V8, which is still part of the engine lineup for the F-150 truck. While most companies have already dropped 8-cylinder units, we don't know for how much longer Ford will keep this powertrain. This V8 can tow up to 13,000 pounds. Top-of-the-line versions are Raptors with high-performance configurations. The base Raptor is using a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with 450 horsepower, while the Raptor R displays a 5.2-liter supercharged engine to rival the Ram TRX. Number 1. Off-road performance. The first name that comes to mind when talking of off-roading is the Raptor. With it, the 2025 Ford F-150 will be ready to tackle any challenge. Plenty of power under the hood, 450 horsepower total, is a great help. The Raptor is also equipped with Fox shocks, a low-range gearing setup, all-terrain tires, skid plates. The price is not a bargain, and it becomes even higher if you opt for the Raptor R with its supercharged V8 at 720 horsepower. It is the top-of-the-line configuration for off-roading, but a 6-digit price will back off most enthusiasts. Ford offers more affordable but not so capable off-road setups. The Tremor will get the job done if you're not looking for extreme terrain conditions. Also, the FX4 optional package for most Ford vehicles adds 4-wheel drive, skid plates, and off-road suspension. Number 10. Eco-friendly hybrid and electric F-150. Finally, Ford jumped on the bandwagon and launched the hybrid truck. It is a 3.5-liter V6 configuration which, with electric batteries, can deliver 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque. 4x4 is standard, and this F-150 pickup can tow 11,500 pounds with a hybrid engine, which is not so bad for such a model. Many truckers remain skeptical about hybrid powertrains, but Ford demonstrates these have a promising future. Electric trucks face even greater uncertainty, but they're slowly entering the scene. The F-150 Lightning debuts with a 452 horsepower configuration and offers an extended range model with 580 horsepower. The electric truck can tow up to 10,000 pounds, but you need to watch the battery when it's fully loaded, since it won't achieve the maximum range of 320 miles. Number 9. Fuel efficiency. Considering the size of the truck, you can't expect some mind-blowing mileage numbers. The base 2.7-liter V6 returns 1925 mpg, and the 3.5-liter with 400 horsepower consumes slightly more fuel in the city. Compared to the Ram 1500, it is a worse result, but the 2025 Ford F-150 can tow 1,000 pounds more. Or if you're looking for the best gas mileage, a hybrid is the perfect solution with 23 mpg combined. Only the Silverado diesel can offer a better combo of mileage and towing capacity, but that oil burner will be discontinued after this season. Number 8. Low noise. In workhorses, trucks need a lot of power, which also means a lot of noise. While the roar might be appealing at times, you'll want to minimize it during a full shift. The 2025 Ford F-150 is the best truck when it comes to keeping the noise outside the cabin, even at higher speeds and fully loaded. Plus, the vibration is reduced, enhancing the overall comfort of the pickup. Number 7. Handling. Again, we must consider the truck's size. It won't ride like a car, but the steering and handling of the 2025 Ford F-150 are the best in the class. You're getting a well-balanced driving and precise maneuvering, no matter if you're on the open road or navigating sharp turns on tight city streets. Body roll is minimized thanks to the superb setup. Number 6. Towing and bed features. The 2025 Ford F-150 is a leading half-ton truck with a maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. But buyers need to equip it properly to enhance the working experience. You can have complete control with features such as Pro Trailer Backup Assist, integrated trailer brake controller, and trailer sway control. Combine these features with such hauling capacity and you're getting the best-in-class truck. To tow 14,000 pounds, you'll need the Max Trailer Tow Package. The bed utility package is helpful for nighttime work with 360 zone lighting and bed LED lights that can be turned off and on the cabin. The tailgate workstation provides measuring tools and includes a step that pulls out from the bed with a handle for easier climbing. Number 5. Advanced performance upgrades. With plenty of options under the hood, finding a suitable configuration for your needs shouldn't be a problem. But sometimes a performance boost is welcome, especially when unexpected situations arise. The terrain management system is designed to adjust settings and make a ride suitable for specific road and weather conditions. Optimal control and efficiency improve reliability and boost the overall image of the truck. Plus, the Pro Trailer Backup Assist aids in maneuvering trailers by displaying direction and simplifying the task significantly compared to manual methods. Number 4. Safety. The 2025 Ford F-150 is not only a workhorse but also a versatile family vehicle. The truck can accommodate 6 passengers and the company packs it with plenty of safety technology. Plus, the F-150 achieves the highest crash test ratings. Taking this segment, most buyers would pick this truck over other rivals without hesitation. Safety first, no matter the price tag, and Ford prioritizes that in every aspect of their design. It is not all about the features that enhance peace of mind, but easy handling and drivability will narrow down risk of collision. Number 3. Technology, infotainment, and convenience. The tech inside the 2025 Ford F-150 is up to date with many advanced options and the latest innovations added to the package. 12-inch touchscreen is now standard all across the lineup, complemented by the Sync 4 infotainment. This system features wireless connectivity, over-the-air updates that don't require visits to dealerships, and navigation with live updates. Then you can pack the truck with premium Bang & Olufsen audio system, 360-degree camera, or wireless phone chargers. Blind spot monitors, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, and many other options will enhance the overall convenience, making the F-150 a versatile vehicle for any needs. Number 2. Comfortable interior. Regular cab, super cab, and crew cab configurations are available for the 2025 Ford F-150. Of course, the last one offers the most space and transforms the truck into a family vehicle excellent for daily commuting. Compared to the super cab, the crew cab offers an additional 10 inches of legroom in the back, while the regular cab accommodates 3 passengers. Cabin volume ranges from 52.8 to 77.4 cubic feet depending on the bed size. With tons of standard and optional equipment in combination with lavish space, any trip is cozy and enjoyable. Number 1. Multiple trim level options. We already mentioned plenty of options for the F-150. Most of them are sorted out and offered in pre-packaged configurations. The XL is an entry-level point with basic stuff for hard work. STX and SLT are affordable upgrades that add some advanced options. However, the price will most likely go over $50,000 with a crew cab. Lariat is already a premium offer with 20-inch wheels and leather seats. Top-of-the-range offers are King Ranch and Platinum with Ford's most sophisticated features. If you're looking for an off-road truck, the Tremor is available for $65,000. Or you could add the FX4 package for $1,095 to most of the other configurations. Raptors require deeper pockets, with the high-performance version topping $110,000. Thanks for watching and see you next time.